Yeah, good evening, everyone. In the last videos, sir, I think we started a new batch on logic based programming. Sir, you can see here, just let me revise for a few minutes. So, the course title is Logic Based Programming LBP 15. The duration of this course is 45 days or 45 classes we are going to take. The timings is as of now 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sir, of course, we are in a plan to change this particular timings. Don't worry, it won't be from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. because it is very difficult, right, for attending at 10 p.m. Majority of the student requested to change the timings. Definitely, we will change, but it is not from 10 p.m. to 9 p.m. Maybe, sorry, 10 p.m. to 11, maybe 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, or even in the evening hours also we are planning that we will intimate. And coming to the fees for this batch is 2500. And in the very beginning class I explained when we should go for this logic based programming, what is the advantage of this programming. Okay, so what is the prerequisite for this course. Okay, all these things I explained very clearly. We are going to use a hacker rank website. Okay, we are going to use hacker rank website for practicing the programs in this. Okay, and it is a customized link where you can get the programs which is uploaded by myself. And this is nothing but YouTube, this is nothing but YouTube videos. So whatever we covered in the previous classes, those videos are available in this. Okay, only demos we are going to upload in this session. Next, and after that, this is the logic based programming sample demo class programs whatever I am explaining. So that programs you can able to practice here. Okay, and total how many programs we are going to cover. We are going to cover 350 programs. Okay, program number 1 to up to how many programs we are going to cover. 350. Sir, I told already. What about the divisions from which program to which program, which topics will be covered? That part also I explained very clearly in the last sessions. Next, and after that, we have seen first program how we can able to print a welcome message on the screen. So if I want to print any welcome message, how you can able to print? For that they have given some constraints, like if you are giving a name as the input, it should return the message saying welcome followed by that name. And if you are giving a name with multiple words, you need to get a welcome followed by the same thing. So how to implement that program by using C language, I explained in the last class. Even how to implement that program in Java also I explained very clearly in the last session. Even how to implement that program in Python also we have seen. Next, and after that, program number 7, three numbers addition. Suppose if the programmer is giving three numbers like 10, 20, 30. So how you can able to add these three numbers? As you can see here, the output is nothing but 60 because 10 plus 20 plus 30. But here you can see, so 11 plus 22 plus 11, which is nothing but 44. So how to get these things we have seen very clearly in the last session. Okay, so how to read three integer values from the user and how to print that addition. So in the C language, how you can implement that part I covered very clearly in the last session. And even in Java also how to implement we have seen. Even in Python also we discussed. These are the programs whatever we covered in the last videos. Okay. Now in today's session, we are going to discuss about next program, which is nothing but program number 8. Sir, what is this program? Program number 008, which is nothing but coffee cups. What is the title of the program? Coffee cups. Sir, what is this program? Implement a program. Okay, implement a program to read, implement a program to calculate the free number of cups that the user is going to get after specified number of cups bought by the user. Okay, we need to count a total how many number of cups that you are going to get for the specified number of cups bought by the user. If user is purchasing some coffee cups, total how many cups he is going to get, we have to calculate. And they have a hint. So the user is going to get 1 cup extra. That is nothing but I can say 1 cup free for every 6 cups bought. That means if you are purchasing 5 cups, what is the output that we are going to get? That means how many total cups you are going to get? 5 cups only. There is no free cups. Sir, why? Because the number of cups you purchased is 5. When you are going to get free cups, if you purchase 6 coffee cups, in addition to the 6 they are giving one extra free cup. In total we will get 7. Okay, so if you are giving 7 cups, if you are purchasing 7 cups, 7 plus 1 extra we are going to get, which is nothing but 8. Sir, if you are purchasing 12 cups, what will happen? Already 12 cups are there. In that, how many sixes will be there in the 12? Sir, there are two sixes, right? So that's why here we are going to take, sir, 2 free cups you are going to get. So in total, we are going to get 14 cups. Sir, if I am purchasing n cups, how you can get the result, sir? Can I take n plus n by 6? Yes, n is nothing but the number of cups plus n by 6. So on the n value, if you divide with the 6, how many free cups you are going to get? You will get. That's all, sir. So what is the logic behind this problem? We have to read n value from the user and we have to print n plus, okay, n plus n by 6 we have to print. Beyond that, nothing, sir. This is nothing but how we can able to write this. Okay, so can you please confirm if the concept is clear for you people? I will go with the implementation of this particular program. Friends, can you please confirm is the concept is clear up to this whatever I covered? Clear? Yes, Deepak, Shubham, please confirm. Now, so let us see how we are going to implement this program. Now let us go with C language implementation. So how you can able to solve this program in C language, we will see now. Sir, how to implement in C language? So this is the hacker rank link, right? So just signing up into this and I am connecting with Google. Yes, program number 8. Let us solve this. So this is nothing but the challenge page what we have. You can see here if the input is a 6, 6 plus 1, we are going to get 7 cups. If input is 8, 8 free cups plus 1, 9. If your input is a 10, so in the 10 how many sixes are there? Only one 6. That's why 10 plus 1. If you take a 12, how many sixes are there? Two sixes. That's why 12 plus 2, total 14 we are going to get. Sir, let us see how you can implement integer. I am taking n, okay, n as the input. That's all. It is the only input that is required. So we are going to read the value of n from the user. After this, what we have to do? Printf percentage d comma. So just I am taking n plus n by 6. It is sufficient, right? So whatever the value of n we are giving plus that n value by 6 I am taking. Let us run the code. Is it going to work? You can see perfectly it is working and submit the code. You can see it is going to work with the remaining test cases also. You can see all the test cases got completed. This is the C language implementation what we have. Let us go for Java implementation and let us see how it is going to work in Java. How to implement in Java, sir? I am taking Java code here. So declare scanner class, scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner and system dot in. And here integer n is equal to obj dot I am taking next int. We are reading the value of integer from the user. And how to calculate that value, sir? Can I take system dot out dot println n plus n by 6? Is it sufficient? Yes. Let us run the code and see what will happen. Perfectly it is working. And submit the code. This is the way, sir. Just here we are going to take, so n plus n by 6, because if you purchase 6 coffee cups you are going to get one extra coffee cup. That's why we are taking this particular formula for implementing this program. So this is nothing but the formula that you have to develop from the given input. Based on this only we can able to evaluate. Okay, this is nothing but Java implementation what we have. And let us take Python implementation and let's see how you can able to implement this program in Python. Now I'm going to take Python implementation here. Sir, n is equal to, okay, here in Python n is equal to int of input we are taking. We are reading a dynamic value from the user, and then I'm going to take n plus n double slash 6. Sir, please don't take single slash, because in Python what is the purpose of single slash? It is going to return always floating point value. So even if your input is 7.0, I mean 6, so it won't return 7, it is going to return 7.0, something like that. This is nothing but the biggest problem what we are going to get. So to overcome this problem, what we have to do, sir? We need to take a double slash. Okay, you need to take a double slash. If you take a double slash, then automatically, so you are going to get, okay, if you are taking like this, automatically you are going to get, so single slash, double slash. Let me take double slash and run the program. Sir, it is not going to return floating point values, sir. It is not going to return floating point values. It is going to return integer values. As you can see, all the test cases, okay, all the test cases got passed here. Okay, so this is nothing but how we can able to implement this particular program. Hope you people got very clear clarity. Let us submit the code. Yes, perfectly it is working. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this whatever I covered? Any doubts? Yes, please confirm. Any doubts? Right, sir. With this, I will stop today's session. Tomorrow we will continue with two more programs because the strength is very less, right? Tomorrow we will continue.